This is for people that are buying land or houses in Uganda. There's something I want to clarify. Somehow I did not emphasize it in the video that I made about the land sales agreement. I gave you 10 things, 10 clauses that must be in a good land sales agreement. But let me emphasize this, because from the comments I keep getting and the calls I get, the messages, there are people who have not understood it. And if you make a mistake on this, it could cost you your land or your house. And this is about evidence of payment. That is why I will encourage you, if you can, to use the bank and let the account be in the names of the seller. Then in the agreement, you put it and you say the purchase price, which is this amount, has been deposited on the account of the vendor. The vendor means the seller. And then put the details of that account. Centenary Bank, account this, and the name this. And the name is corresponding to the one on the national ID of the seller. It is also corresponding to the name on the title. If it is titled land or if it is agreement land, it is the same name on the agreement. If you deposit the payment in the bank, always emphasize when the teller is receiving the money, the depositor, put your name. It is someone else's account, but the depositor should be you who is buying the property. So that in future, in case the payment is questioned, the bank statement can always show that so and so deposited money on this account. If you pay in a bank, always keep the deposit slip, attach it to the land sales agreement, and you just keep in your documents. You never know what will happen in future. If you pay cash, please make sure the agreement defends you. Because if you don't mention it that the person acknowledges receiving cash, a person can say, I signed the agreement and I waited for the money didn't come. So if you're doing cash, this is how you can phrase it. You can say the total consideration means purchase price. The total consideration is, let's say, 30 million shillings, which has been paid to the vendor or the seller in cash. Add a statement like, by appending his signature on this agreement, the vendor acknowledges receipt of the said amount. That means if the seller signs the agreement, he cannot say, I did not receive the cash. Evidence of payment can also be in form of a receipt. For example, if you buy from a company, then the company should be able to provide you a receipt that is in the name of that company and with an official signature. That can also show that you paid money. This is Robert Bake, Mr. Inspiration from Win-Win Properties. I deal in land and houses. If you're looking for land or a house, whether it is residential or rental, commercial, with a title in Kampala and the nearby places, I am the guy. You can always reach me. My phone numbers are in the profile information and they are both on WhatsApp. So always reach me. You can also inbox me here. I will make sure you get a genuine property. Don't forget to follow this account.